Hello everyone, welcome to our new video. In today's video we break down the top 5 best light meters that are available on the market. I tried to make the list based on their popularity, quality, price, durability, user opinions and more. If you need more information about these products, please check the link in the description section below. And make sure you subscribe to more videos. Okay, so let's get started with the video. Starting at number 5. Dr.Meter LX1330B Light Meter. This is the best light meter we found on the market at the moment. It measures 4 lux ranges, 0.1-202 thousandths, 20,200 thousandths. It gives out big, clear and easy to understand readings that are even made clearer via the help of the LCD. This device has 100 by 60 by 28 mm dimensions and weighs only 1 pound, making it very lightweight, hence easier to transport. In terms of usage and workability, it is tremendously impressive as it is very fast and rates very high in terms of accuracy. It is also easy to measure light and luminosity in all directions as it has a remote light sensor that you can point to any direction. It can hold up data for some time. It is powered by a 9 volts rechargeable battery which has an indicator on the device to indicate when it's low on power. At number 4. Leadin Digital Luxmete. When you are on the market looking for the best device, you rarely consider the price. But consider a situation where you are looking at a device that has good workability and yet it comes at very giveaway price. That's the case with the Leaton Digital Light Meter. This device is very fast and can measure light twice in 1 second and manage to give you results with top-class accuracy. It is also built in such a way that it can hold data for some time. For those who may need to learn more about how to operate the device, there is a manual guide to guide them on how to operate it. It is also a power-saving device as it has an outer shut-off mechanism after 15 minutes if it is not being used. In the case of battery low, there is a LED indicator to show that the battery is running low. At number 3. URCERI Light Meter. If you are looking for a light meter that is available at a completely affordable price, then this is a perfect match for you. When you combine its modest size with its lightweight attribute, it becomes a very portable device that you can take with you almost anywhere. It is relatively fast in terms of measuring while it also maintains top-class accuracy in data configurations. It also measures luminosity from 0-200,000 lux. It has 4 digital color LCD screen for minimum and maximum readings as well as to indicate when the battery is low or needs a change. This device can also be able to hold up data while it is also equipped with an auto power-off mechanism. At number 2. Extech LT300 Light Meter. Not everyone might have the ability to view some of those tiny readings that appear on some light meters. And if you have this kind of a problem, then the LT300 Light Meter is the device you should be having. It has a backlight to help you read in case of low light levels, plus the screen size displays works are wide and clear enough to see. This device works perfectly in finding out the illumination you have and whether it suits the congregation presence, be it in school, at offices, at stadiums, at congregation halls, etc. The device is small in size and it's very light in terms of weight, making it very portable. This device also comes equipped with 9 volts removable batteries which are rechargeable. It also has a protection cover mostly to protect the light sensor, the screen and the whole device at large. At number 1. BTMETER BT881D Digital Illuminance Light Meter. Are you looking for a relatively fast light measuring device? Well, the BTMETER Digital Illuminance Light Meter will make a great choice. It's not only fast but will also give you results that are very accurate. This device can also measure luminance at a much wider range than other similar devices, making a stand out among the rest. In terms of device usage, it is very easy to use it as it has clear straightforward buttons which are very self-explanatory. When it comes to measuring, you can rotate the light sensor up to 270 degrees, enabling you to measure light at different angles without actually having to keep on turning the device. Thank you for watching, guys. I hope you liked this video. If this video was helpful to you, please remember to leave a like, comment and subscribe to my channel for more videos. If you have any questions related to these products, you can leave a comment below and I'll get back to you as soon as I can.